You have coming to you the most exciting presentation, which is going to be hard given how superb the last presentation was, to rival it. I'm Dick Jackson. I'm the chair of environmental health sciences at UCLA. I spent 9 years at CDC as the head of environmental health there, but did a sidebar over to the University of Michigan for a while and learned a lot. And one of the things that just stunned me was the city of Detroit. And lots of things I loved about the place. And when I decided to do the video series, I had 2 camera crews for 3 days in Detroit. And it took a while to find things that I was happy and excited about. It just was so stunned to see block after block with just one building on it, and rubble and abandoned industrial infrastructure and other things. A train station that was gorgeous, that was 20 stories high, that was vacated and a disaster. And I realized that Detroit still has tremendous assets, a lot of them being people assets and some wonderful foundations. Eastern Market, which is in many ways, I believe, a health center, even though it supplies food to lots of people in that community. A wonderful health system and just terrific people. Well, along the way, I met 2 people that are terrific, and one was the Surgeon General of Michigan at the time, Dr. Kimberly Dawn Wisdom, who is now at the Henry Ford Health System, and she's going to be one of our speakers today. She's an emergency medicine physician and is also at the Institute for Multicultural Health there. She was the Surgeon General for Michigan under Governor Granholm, and thinks deeply about public health issues and how we provide leadership in places that are really challenged. I've not met Loretta Davis before, but has deep management experience for over 25 years and is one of the only 4 people that head public health institutes in cities across the country, and has been very much involved in the repair of clinics, particularly clinics that are serving challenged and impoverished populations across southeast Michigan. Helped put together the city's response to, and the area's response to flu. And about a month and a half ago, one of the sponsors of the roundtable, Kresge, had me come to Detroit, and while I was there, and David Fukazawa was a major leader on this, I visited Detroit Future City. And you know, I was sort of this West Coast guy, and they wanted me there at 8 o'clock in the morning, and it was, I really, why do I have to go hear this? And I was blown away, because that was 5 o'clock in the morning. And to hear the work that Detroit Future City is doing and really thinking about how they can knit together the assets from multiple domains to create a brand new city. I secretly believe that Detroit's got an amazing hidden asset that the rest of America, particularly the Southwest, doesn't realize, that Michigan touches more water than any place else in the United States. And when Las Vegas becomes a ghost town, they're all going to be up in Detroit. So you're going to have to be ready for them to arrive, Dan. I'm being a little flippant to get folks to pay attention, but I really want to thank our speakers, and we're going to lead off with Dan Kincaid, who's Director of Projects at Detroit Future City and the Implementation Office. Dan?